Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're talking about Module 2, Lesson 20. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to subtract 7, 8, and 9 from team numbers. So, looking at this, we're going to have two different ones. 15 minus 7 equals blank, and 15 minus 9 equals blank. Let's look at 15 minus 7 equals blank first. So looking at this, 15 minus 7. First thing we're going to do is we're going to break apart the team number the 10 way. So you're going to break apart 15 the 10 way. So 10, 5. Now the reason why I'm putting the 10 on this side is just because it's closer to that 7. Now we're going to take away 7 from 10. Well, we know that if we take 7 away from 10, there's going to be 3 left because 7 and 3 are 10 buddies. Now we're going to add our leftovers. 5 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8 is 8. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. We could also have drawn a picture. We could draw a hole, which is 15. Box in 10. Cross out 7 of the 10. Circle what's left. Well, look, there's 3 inside the box plus 5 outside the box. So it's the same thing as up top here. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we got the same answer no matter if we did the number bound strategy or the drawing. So now let's do 15 minus 9 equals blank. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to write 15 the 10 way, which we know is 10, 5. We're going to cross out 9 and 10. We're going to take 9 from 10, which we know that 9 and 1 are 10 buddies. So if we take 9 from 10, 1's going to be left. We're going to circle our leftovers, which is 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so our answer is 6. But we can also do our drawing. We draw our hole, which is 15. Then, once we draw our hole, we box in 10. We cross out 9 from the 10. And we circle what's left, which is 1 inside the box plus 5 outside the box. So 1 plus 5 equals 6. We got the same thing. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.